Alright, how's it going YouTube? Back out with the Hobao Hyper 90. I did get a Mamba X. Just got that back from Castle with a few other things. And I'm gonna run it with a Sensei motor. I think this is a Hobby Wing or a Hobby Star motor in 2000 kV. So I'm gonna run it on 4S, just wanna test it out. I don't got no cap pack or nothing. Just testing it. But I think I'm gonna keep this ESC in here to go with the motor and we'll go from there. Alright YouTube, we're back. So show you how this sensor. It's 4S, so. The steering servo on this is retarded. I'll turn it down. Sorry about the wind, y'all. It's kind of windy. Definitely ain't missing a beat with that sensor. There we are, reverse everything. See how we do on that line. So we would be coming down to about right where this pole at, like a foot or two after this pole. That'd be 132 right there. Let's see what she sound like. Definitely topping out. I had to throw the GoPro up there and get some onboard. It's nice and smooth though. Definitely liking it with that motor. Not sure if I'm gonna throw this motor or get another one and put it in the limitless, but I definitely need a sensor motor. Definitely. After that little. So I actually got the GoPro mount strap to the side, so I'm not even gonna do the onboard. Steering's off real quick. Gotta see what she do on 6S, but I ain't bring no 6S back, so the next time I will get it on 6S. Just trying to beat it up so I can see what my logs are. Know where I'm going from there. One more hit, we're gonna call it a day. Alright, y'all. Thanks for tuning in.